All right, and it's time to change the oil on my 1500 to 1200 watt Champion generator. We'll need a container for our discarded oil, a funnel, and the new oil. Here's a chart to help you pick out your oil. I went with 5W30. We'll need a socket to open up the drain bolt. As you can see, I put a piece of wood underneath the backside of the generator just so it's on a bit of a tilt, and that'll help the old oil pull out faster. Here's the drain bolt that we're going to unscrew. I saw another guy on YouTube do this. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the new oil in just to push out that old oil. Would you look at that? Nice and clean. Put that bolt back on just so the new oil doesn't leak out. I made a rookie mistake. I'm pouring in the oil, but oh, the oil's coming out. Why is that? Oh, it's because I forgot to take the piece of wood out from the back. Anyway, be very careful that you don't overfill. I just eyeballed it. And yeah, we're all done. A little cleanup here and we're good to go. This is Backcountry Betty's.